Welcome to Sri Electronics and Embedded Solutions Coimbatore. So this is the new kit of 48/60 volt 1200 watts. So 17-inch hub motor kit for especially the Splendor super model. So this kit used to convert a normal vehicle to an electrical vehicle. So if you want to convert a fully electric kit, so this kit will be suitable to your bike model. So previously we made all the videos of 16, 17 and 18 inch of the same hub motor. But this kit having some variants and speciality, so that is we have connected to previously we have connected with the wired controller. So right now this kit is coming with wireless controller. So on the added advantage we have the variants of digital speedometer. This quality will be very good. The same brand, same kits we are providing. So this speedometer is getting very digital speedometer and getting good attractive to each and every readings are being visible at the any direction that you are going to see. Okay, so this is a brand new speedometers coming along with this kit. Okay, so totally this is the complete kit. So right now we are getting to the field of lithium ion and lithium peroxide batteries. So you can previous orders, many people are asking for the kit that you are going to give, what to do for the battery and the charger kind of activities. So for that purpose we have introduced to launch our batteries in the name of Alter brand. So we giving you maximum 2 years warranty for the batteries and also for the charger 6 months. So if you want, all the kits are available in our online website. So our official website will be displayed here. So www.swesonlinestore.com, in the scrolling you can check. So visit our online website and place an order. So this is 24/7, our online website will be live. So based on the quality and the price, the rock bottom price that we are going to give, each and every kits are under offers. So make use of the offers and you can convert your normal vehicle to an electrical vehicle. So this is what the added advantage. So here in that website you have seen there is one category, that is full kit plus battery plus charger. If you are going to see so make use of our online website and you can place your order. So once your order will be placed, it can be shipped within maximum 5 to 7 working days. This product will be delivered to you. So most probably all the online orders are received then and there. And if you have any doubts this particular company is sending the material or not, don't completely believe. If you want to check our previous dispatching status, so go and visit in our website itself. There will be a proof of dispatching. So there the previous order, how the material will be packed and how the docket details has been sent to the clients. We have made one complete video. You can go and watch the video if you have any clarity on regarding the delivery kind of activities. Okay, so after checking those, you can directly place the order, because we in the electric vehicle field for the past 3 to 4 years currently our Sri Electronics will be around 12-13 years old company. So here we are the market leading components providers for all the electronics industries, and we have all the types of variants of electronics item. So we well versed all the connections and everything. So that is why for our initiative we try to did this video especially for the helping of our customer, and also many of the clients are buying from anywhere and they are asking how to connect and all they are asking. So based on that in online, first we have done an initiative and we make all those videos and we have posted in YouTube. So this will have a very good impact on the people. So many of the peoples are, after watching our video, they are ready to convert their vehicle, their normal vehicle to electrical vehicle, because this is getting really appreciated for us. So this is the brand new kit. So you can make use of this kit and you can convert your normal vehicle to an electrical vehicle. So our total video, don't skip the video, you can watch it fully. So our video totally consists of 3 segments. So that is full kit details, second one will be the connection segment, and third thing will be the testing and demo. So in this particular video we will explain you all 3 different items. In between you can make use of the connection. In the final complete testing and demo segment we will going to giving you how the acceleration, how the voltage can be applied and how the motor can be run. You can see it full-fledgedly. Okay. So now let's move on to the video full kit details. So in the full kit details, so first thing will be the 10-inch hub motor can be modified to 16, 17 and 18 inch can be possible in this particular rim size. So 16 inch especially for XL Super, this 17 and 18 inch can be used for the bike applications like Splendor, Platina, Passion Pro, like that vehicle you can use it. So this is especially for 17 inch rim. So this is the OEM rim. So perfectly marked with the 3D alignment. So after marking the wheel alignment, we have fitted and we have drilled it, and spokes can be fitted accordingly. So and this sent it to the customer. So based on the order, this production will be going on. So this is the 48/60 volt 1200 watts in the name of Khetaan, but it is a OEM of Honda motor. So Khetaan brand is distributing this motor. So this is the pure copper winding hub motor. So 17 inch spokes type hub motor for Splendor model. Okay. Second thing will be the coming to the second part, that is the wireless controller. So this is the wireless controller. In the back side there will be heat shrink heat exhaust side in the back side. So this is the front side. So you can get two-sided open. So here is the box that is going to connect inside. So here, so while you are going for connections, so this is the total accessories that is going to fit with this controller. Once you remove this, and this side, this left side, you need to give the power supply connections. So this is red and black will indicates the positive and the negative of the supply. So this indicates the positive and this indicates the negative. We will giving 60 volt power supply to this particular unit, and here it will be the three phase wiring we need to give it accordingly. So this is the 48/72 volt. This is the smart wireless controller, and current will be 35 amps. So this particular controller is used to as my wireless controller, because this previous controllers we have made the video that is for wired controllers. So this controller is used for a wireless mode of configuration. So the accuracy and the quality will be high. So the same Khetaan brand is distributing this controller. So controller, motor and as well as controller are same brand. Then coming to the digital speedometer, so we have the full digital variant of the speedometer, colorful speedometer. So once you fit it to the vehicle, this will getting attractive very much. So if you are seeing any side view, this reading can be easily identified, and also having the inbuilt kilometer RPM can be can't be 0. So this can be totally counted. In the previous meters this will be 0 once you turn off the supply, but whereas this speedometer will have continuous right now this 6 kilometer will be used in this particular speedometer. Okay, so this is the full function. You can have left and right indications, headlight indication, and everything can be in one in one speedometer. So next thing will be this, the drum brake kit. You can use the drum brake assembly for the braking kind of applications we are giving this. So on third thing, fourth thing will be the power key switches. Power key along with two switches that we are going, two keys we are giving. Next thing will be the DC-DC converter to convert your headlight and horns used to convert 12 volt. So 48 to 72 volt you can convert it into 12 volt 10 amps. Okay, CY DC to DC converter. So this is the charging socket that is used for to connect the battery, and also there will be the acceleration, that is 3-speed throttle with forward reverse. That is accelerometer that we are giving along with this kit. So okay, so this is the one side and this is the other side. This is having 3-speed variant and also forward reverse mode options will be there in this particular thing, throttle. So that's all about the total kit, full kit details. So these are all the kits that we are giving along with this kit. So if you want inbuilt battery also, we will suggesting you for particular voltage and particular AH, how much kilometer will be achieved approximately. You can directly visit our website for more details, www.swesonlinestore.com. So now let's move on to the second segment. So that is connection segment. In the connection segment, you can watch each and every connections. Once you receive this kit, you need to watch this particular segment. Then only it will much helpful for the connection kind of activities. Okay. So don't go for connection related activities. So we giving you full support for the connection oriented parameters. So that is why we making every connection, and we have tested and we have posted the video on the YouTube. Now let's move on to the connection details. So from the motor there will be on heavy wires coming out. So it is directly, we need to turn off this particular supply. So we need to directly go to the controller side. So there will be two end from the heavy wires coming. So you need to connect the motor wire, three phase wiring, that is blue in the top, center there will be green, in the bottom you have the yellow wire, and the remaining set in the bottom there will be 5-pin connector from the controller. You need to, this is the 5-pin connector from the bottom side. You need to connect the motor wiring accordingly. So that is you need to check first this red to red and black to black. This wire is connected to connect this wire, connect this cable. Okay, so red to red, black to black, yellow to yellow, blue to blue, and green to green. Okay, so this is the sensor wiring, hall sensor wiring. Okay, and next thing will be the coming to the other side. You have we have explained in the previous thing. So this red will be the positive and the negative. So we have connected directly the battery side. So right now we have connected 60 volt power input. Okay, and coming to the axle, that is power key switch, we need to have two wires in the output. So first wire is going to the supply, and the second wire is going to from the controller. In the side there will be on red wire. See here, on red wire is coming. So you need to connect it accordingly. Why means this is the power key wire. You need to turn on this supply. Once the key is turned on, the supply goes to the controller side. So this is this connected. One will be connected to power key and another is going directly to speedometer. Why? Because once the power key will be on, so then only the supply goes to the speedometer. Okay, so for that purpose we have interconnected this wire. Okay, so I'm coming to the speedometer part. So this is the speedometer wire. So you can anywhere you can note it down. So the color code, how it will indicates. Okay, so red indicates positive. So this red color wire from the speedometer, it indicates the positive of the supply. Either you need to give 48, 60 as well as 72 volt, and green indicates the negative of the supply, and the black indicates the speed sensor wire, and the yellow indicates the headlight, and blue indicates the left indicator, and the white color indicates the right indicator. Okay, so the red color positive, green negative, black will be the speed sensor. So this black wire, so here the red sensing wire is directly going to the supply, and black will be the negative. It's going to the negative of, that is green to the speedometer, and the black wire is coming. So this coming out from the black wire. So this wire you need to connect the speed sensor wire. So this is this pink color wire will be the speed sensor wire. So this pink color will be the speed sensor wire. So after connecting this, you need to have the loop back system. So here the back core, this looping, why we are here, it indicates now it will reverse the hub motor. Once you ground this pin to the ground pin, the motor gets one direction. If you are removing this, the motor gets the reverse direction, because this controller will directly cannot actuate the forward reverse in the speedometer, in the throttle. So here there will be one condition this particular motor can work, okay, either forward or reverse, okay. And remaining set of cables, so here there will be combination of sockets. So here if you are connected 60 volt, the interposition 60 volt, you need to connect 60 volt for this looping. So while you are connecting for this is for 70 volt interpoling, if you connect 72 volt battery, then you need to interlock and you can remove this. So if you are we have connected right now 60 volt, so that is why we have interconnected this. So if you are connected 48 volt, remove both, you can remove, okay. For that 48 volt condition, you can keep it as it is, okay. For this remaining color codes, you can keep it as free. So this blue color indicate 3 speed. So this red color pin will indicate the central locking system, and this you can remaining the no connections for these things, okay. You can remove as it is. So that's all about the connection. And coming to the throttle port, this wire only the acceleration, remaining part we can keep it as empty. So this is the acceleration cable. So red to red, black to black, and green to green we have interconnected here. For only we have accelerating the throttle only. For that purpose we have connecting this, okay. So that's all about the full connections. Hope you understood. So each and every wire will be important to actuate this motor, particular motor, okay. So that's all about the connection details. Now let's move on to the testing and demo segment. So now let's move on to the final segment, that is testing and demo. So we have connected 60 volt battery as an input voltage. So we can turn on the power key switch, and we coming to the testing part, we can accelerate the throttle and we can see the real time how the motor is getting rotated. So first time we are initiating this step since our video, in our YouTube video we have posted many videos. Hope you can check our previous sections, then only you can know how many videos, all the videos. Without testing we can't launch this particular motor to the end users, okay. So that is why on behalf of Sri Electronics we have initiated this to check the motor. Once the customer is getting buyed without knowing anything, they can't use it as in their two-wheelers. So for the initiative we have taken this step for the connection kind of activities. So now let's move on to the video. We can turn on the supply and we have giving the throttle, and we can see what will be happens. Now let's move on to the video. So I will turn on the power key switch first. So I will turn on the power key switch, you can easily identify. So once you turn on, so here we can see once again in time, this is the full function of the speedometer. So here once the power will be turned on, here it indicates 60 volt. Here you can see 60 volt is coming. So this is the total kilometer running from the speedometer, 6 kilometer. So on this is the total battery level indications, and here it indicates the kilometer per hour real time indications. So here it is in ready state. Once you connect in left and right indicator, headlight and everything, so this particular functions will be turned on. So this is the very smart speedometer. You can use it for the any kind of two-wheeler applications, okay. Now let's turn on the throttle and you can see the motor rotation. So right now we have not connected any speeds 3 level. If you want 3 speed, you can connect 3 speed. So right now for testing we have not connected any 3 speeds. So we have tested. So we giving the accelerations, step by step accelerations we are giving. So this is the test bench of testing the motor. So right now we have the acceleration should be step by step, you need to. So we have slowly you can accelerate step by step. So you need to connect it accordingly. Slowly you need to increase the speed of the accelerations. Now the motor will be under maximum speed. So this is the test bench waveform. We have given the power supply not connected to the batteries. So the variation of the motor will be definitely, if you are connecting any lithium ion or lithium pyrophosphate battery, you can easily identify it. There will be no shake in the motor, so it can rotate very smoothly. So you can see the motor speedometer. It can be achieved 80 kilometers maximum. So while you are connecting to your batteries, it can vary it accordingly. Okay, so that's all. The continuous movement, you can watch it. Continuous movement of acceleration we have connected here. So this will automatically, it can get reading for the 7 kilometer, 8 kilometer. Right now it is in 7 kilometers. So on the battery getting dropped, it can be easily identified in the clusters. Okay, so that's all about the full connection and the full length of this particular video. So just deactivating. So you can convert any kind of that is petrol vehicle to an electrical vehicle. You can use it to convert your normal vehicle to an electrical vehicle. We have the kit for XL Super, and we have the kit for 17 inch, 18 inch. If you want 2000 watts also, we can try to give you 2000 watts right now in stock. So right now we providing you offer sale, all are 50% under offer. So for this New Year and Pongal, we are launching this new kit. So hope you enjoy this video fully. So definitely this output will come to know. Many of the people are trying to watch, and after watching the video, you are asking how to convert and everything. So definitely this video will helpful to convert your normal vehicle to an electrical vehicle. So if you want to place your order, so kindly visit our online website www.swasonlinestore.com. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.